What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. I'm going to try something different in this video. I've actually turned my microphone off. I don't know, the audio sounds a little muffled to me sometimes when the microphone is on. And I don't know why that is, so I decided to try just using the built-in mics of my camera. I don't expect it's going to work out well, but forgive me if the audio sucks. We'll go back to normal audio in the next video. This is just a test to see if it works. Anyway, welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. My name's Randy, and we're at Insurance Auto Auctions here in Oklahoma City to take a look at this really unique 2008 Ford Mustang with a Chameleon paint job that's $1,100. Literally, right now today, it's an $1,100 car. If you wanted to buy it now, it has a buy it now of just $2,200. So there's the thumbnail. What do you guys think? That Chameleon paint job, I'm gonna be honest with you. I mean, I know a lot of people hate paint jobs like this. I love it, man. I love it. I think these things are so cool, and on a Mustang as well. Now, I just sold one of these for about $4,600. Mine, however, was a V8. Mine was the 4.6. This is the 4.0, which means this is the V6. But look at the color changes as you walk down this car. I mean, it goes from brown, and it turns like copper and orange and purple. It's just... And if you look at it from this way, it almost looks matte black. Doesn't it? Doesn't it look matte black until you get it where the sun's shining directly on it? And then the color just pops, man. I'm not gonna lie, V6, I normally would never give a V6 Mustang the time of day. And again, if we're being completely honest, taking a look at it from this side, look how bad this looks. You know, I mean, I don't know if there's something all over this, but I mean, it looks really, really rough. It looks like it's got mold or something growing on it, but the whole car looks like that. But as soon as you get in the sun, it just pops to life, man. I don't know, maybe that's the way it's supposed to be. I'm no paint and body expert. I don't know. All I know is that if it's in the shade, this thing looks rough. This thing looks really rough. It may be a wrap. It is a wrap. So underneath, this car is actually red. I don't know, guys. $2,200? It's an automatic. I don't know what the miles are on it. It's got a lot of red. Oh, it's got spider webs. In the interior, there are literally spider webs growing. Interesting. Let's take a look at the back seats. Well, they're there. I mean, let's see if it has any power. Nope. Dead as a doornail. We'll pop the hood. And take a look at these spider webs, guys. That's not a good sign. You know what I mean? When spider webs are taking up all over the inside of your car, yeah, it's not good. It's a little concerning for me, if I'm being completely honest. It's supposed to be a run and drive. So, but still, spider webs tell me it's been sitting for a long time. And oh wow, what happened to the hood? Ouch. Oh, man. Yeah, that wrap got all kinds of tore up, didn't it? And, well, there's your 4.0 liter V6. These, honest to God, guys, they're great motors. I know a lot of people make fun of them for being a V6. And I'll be the first to admit, not my first choice. This is not a car I would typically buy. The only reason I'm halfway interested in it is because of the color combination. And again, look at all the spider webs, guys. I mean, they're everywhere. This car has been sitting a long time. I'm really surprised that it runs. So we're gonna put that to the test. Yeah, this would not normally be my first pick for a Mustang, but the color combo just kind of, I don't know, man, it pops. It's just kind of out there, and it's got me a little bit interested in it. I'm looking for the transmission dipstick, which I could swear was hiding on this side somewhere. You know what? It's not, is it? They took away the transmission dipstick on these, if I remember right, and there's some weird sealed unit. I say weird. Today, that's common. Everything is like that. But yeah, no trans dipstick on this one. Ugh, oil. Ugh, wow. All right. Uh-oh. That looks like milkshake, guys. I think that's milkshake. Let's see if we can set this down over here. You guys can get a better look at it. You guys can't see it. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see it. That let's check the coolant level. That does kind of, it's got a milkshake consistency to it. I mean, it's still brown like oil, but I'm telling you, it looks like it's got water in it to me. Ooh. Pressure in the cooling system, I see. Let's take a look down there. I don't know if you guys can see in it. Does it have coolant? I guess it does. It's got a little bit. I don't know. It sure doesn't look very good. All right, guys, let me put a jump on this thing real quick. Let's see if we can get it running. All right, we got the booster pack on it. Well, we had the booster pack on it. Come on. Boy, these things are just kind of a pain, man. Maybe that'll hold. We've got a date code on the battery from 2019, January of 19. So that's almost 5 years ago. So let me squeeze through here and let's see if we can get this thing to start, because it says it runs. I don't see that happening, but stranger things have happened. Nice little voltmeter there, I guess. That's all right. I'll be damned. It runs. It actually runs. Got some exhaust too. We have a TPMS light. Brake light goes off when you turn off the e-brake. Battery voltage is good. Oil pressure is good. Completely out of gas. Nice Elite Boss audio touchscreen there. That's actually really nice. Important window. Why, yes it does. Less important window too. No joke. And that voltmeter, I guess. That's nice. Although you have a voltmeter right there. So I don't know why you need another one. Let's try out the air conditioning, which I don't think it's gonna work. I don't know, guys. It sounds good. Sounds like the exhaust is under here, dumped somewhere. I'm gonna turn this booster pack off, because God forbid this clamp comes off and starts sparking things on the car. We don't want that. It actually runs great, guys. I'm very shocked. I don't know if it's worth $2,200. Spider webs and leaves, and I don't know the color though, right? You either love it or you hate it. I think it's unique, it's interesting, it's fun. But again, obviously this thing is just, it's been sitting for a very long time, and that is my biggest concern. Why? Why has it been sitting for a long time? Could it be transmission related? It has brakes. The steering felt good. Uh-oh. It does not go into gear. And I hear a whining that I originally thought... Hear that? That's not power steering. That whine is from the transmission pump. Oh yeah. Nah, she doesn't move. Not at all. Oh boy. Oh, wait. You can hear it change, but it just doesn't seem to go into gear. Either that, or possibly somebody's removed the drive shaft. Boy, I don't know. I wonder if the drive shaft is missing. Oh, we also now have an overdrive light that just came on. No, that was me. I'm gonna shut it off. I'm want to put it in park. I'm concerned that it may not have a drive shaft in it. Guys, I've had on a couple occasions where I've sent my car to auction, and because they've already got a full truck, they want to just haul it on the back of their rig, like on a Stinger. And to do that on a rear-wheel drive car, they have to remove the drive shaft. So, I mean, typically the drive shaft comes with the car though, and if you're lucky, they'll even put the drive shaft back in it for you. So let me see if I can take a peek under here. I'll bring you guys with me. Hey, we could see. Nope, she's got a drive shaft, guys. Yeah, it's got a drive shaft. You guys probably can't see it, but can you see it now? Maybe not. She's got a drive shaft, so she just doesn't move. Dang it, man. I love that color too. Let me make sure this door is closed. It could just be low on fluid. Maybe it leaks some out from the rear seal or the pump seal or something. It could just be low on fluid. I'd hate to condemn the car because it sounds like it tries to go into gear, just can't do it. Just can't do it. That whining noise tells me that it's listed as a run and drive though. 150,000 miles on the odometer. You guys tell me, man, what do you think? $1,100, is it worth a risk? I obviously am not going to use buy it now at $2,200. That's not going to happen. But if we could get it, you know, maybe $1,200, do you think it'd be worth it? Throw some fluid in the transmission and maybe we'd be good to go down the road, or, you know, maybe the transmission's totally shot. You guys comment below and tell me what you think. And also, I'm crossing my fingers the audio sounds decent. I'm not using any microphone at all. You see I've got the mic on me here. If I tap it, there's nothing, because I'm using the microphone built into the camera, and I'm really hopeful that it sounds decent. But I had to do this experiment because I'm real big on my audio, and since I started using this setup, to me my audio has sounded muffled, and there's nothing I can do about it, and I'm certain it's the mic. And there's literally nothing I can do about it. So I decided to try just using the internal mics. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, well, it's only one 10-minute video. We didn't lose that much anyway. But drop your comments below. Number 1, on the car. Number 2, on the audio. And with that, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.